Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm Kat Fairchild and I'm so excited to share with you today. Obviously, this is like probably my favorite topic ever. This amazing bronzed look with my cream bronzer from Maskcara Beauty, which just came out. It's brand new. So stick around and I will show you how to get this fun bronze look just in time for summer. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with my highlight and contour first. So I'm just gonna like rush through that super duper quick. So this is my mascara compact. I'm just gonna show it for a second because it's really dirty. I need to clean it. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna go with my Second HAC brush and just do a little bit of my highlight here. So now I'm gonna go with my contour. I like to use this Detail Hack brush for my contour. It's super pretty, to say the least, but it works amazing. So if you want something that's pretty, it also works good. So I'm just gonna do a thin layer of contour here, and then I'm gonna go back and warm my face up with the bronzer. But what contour does, if you don't know about contour, is it chisels out your features so you get a more defined look. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my blush super quick, and then I'll blend everything together, and then I'll put the bronzer on. That's what you came for, right? So then I just take my ring finger and put my Illuminator right here. I could do a little bit down here. A little bit on my Cupid's bow, if I can find it. There it is. Okay, and then I am going to press this into my skin to get this all blended in together. So, okay. Now I'm chiseled out, I'm highlighted, I'm contoured, I'm blushed, I'm illuminated. Amen. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, if I can find it, is I am gonna go in with my Bella bronzer, which you guys, my Bella bronzer, it's a cream bronzer. So don't be scared, it's not a cream contour. It's not a powder bronzer, it's a cream bronzer. So it comes in this really pretty packaging right here, and you can actually just pop this in to one of your mascara tins and be good to go. And I love to actually apply it with this perfector sponge from mascara as well. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pick a little bit up with your perfector sponge and then let all the magic start to happen. So you just want to put this on the high points of your cheekbone, anywhere that the sun would hit, and it's going to warm you up and have you ready for summer so fast. So I always like to, look at how good it's working. I always like to do like sunless tanning. I'm so white. Can you guys see how white my hand is? It's shocking. So I like to sunless tan, but it's hard when you sunless tan if you start with like such a white face. So I actually use, I usually use like a Tomas spray, or I use the Saint Tropez tanning spray. So you just want to get this all over. Anywhere that the sun is going to be hitting your face. Okay, so I am finished. Can you guys tell what a better mood I'm in from this little tin right here? It's like happiness in a tin, you guys. This lady right here, standing there, is thinking, I'm in such a good mood. I'm in a dress. I'm standing on top of a mountain and I am bronzed to perfection. Life is good. Life is good. Okay, so then to finish, I just spray my Stay Spray. I like to be generous in spraying that because it does create such a pretty glow on your skin and it locks everything in. And then I just kind of let that dry. And okay, so I am 100% done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. My husband literally hates this thing. But I think it's so fun and cute. So there we go. I'm ready for summer. I'm ready to go do something fun outside. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to purchase the Bella Bronzer or any other products that I used here today, I will link them for you guys below. Thank you.